Well, class, I did the introduction of the class, so I hope you practice your verbs. Okay, the topic for today is language focus number 2. In this language focus, we are going to see the past perfect. Number 1, complete example from the listening on page 12, then answer the questions in the box. Okay, let's see. I had always wanted to be in a big show. And here you have the alternative. Here says negative, so could be hadn't. Okay, I hadn't really about it before. I hadn't really thought. Thought is a past participle of think. No. Question. When you have a question, you go at the beginning. Had you seen is a past participle of see. Had you seen it before you started on the production? Okay. Yes, I had. Yes, I had seen it twice. So in this case, is an affirmative answer with extra information. Or you can say, no, I hadn't. No, I hadn't seen it. Okay? So, listen. In this part, you need had and the verb in the past participle. So, in this case, there is no problem because it's a regular one. The problem is here. No? So, listen and repeat. I had always wanted to be in a big show. I hadn't really thought about it before. Had you seen it before you started on the production? Yes, I have seen it twice. No, I hadn't seen it. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, let's check are correct. Let's continue. Remember, you need extra time. You can stop the video, write your answers on your book, and then you can continue. There is no problem. Second part. Answer the questions, says. We did this part, we continue with this part. What do you use the past perfect to talk about? Okay, in this case, we are going to talk about the moment. When do you use the past perfect? Which tense do you use to talk about the most recent of two past actions? Okay, what's your idea, class? An action that happened before another action or an action that happened after another action? Or this? Let's guess. I don't know. What's your opinion? You can write on the platform and give me ideas. Okay? Which tense do you use to talk about the most recent of two past actions? The past simple or the past perfect? Ah, you see, no? The past perfect could be. And here, an action that happened before or after? Let's check it. Look, what do you use the past perfect to talk about? An action that happened before another action. An action that happened before. Which tense do you use to talk about the most recent of two past actions? The past perfect? Oh, it says the past simple. So check it. Check it. Okay? Let's continue. So here is on your book. This is your book. You can complete the activities as I did before. There's no problem. Say, if you need grammar reference, you can go to page 99. We can go to page 99, it's here. Grammar reference. So in this case, use the and would, no, information, and the past perfect. Look, past perfect, affirmative, negative questions, and positive and negative answers. No, we form the past perfect with had plus the past participle. With the past participle. Okay, so be careful. Past participle, the last part. Let's see. Okay, here is the contraction of had. This is the complete form, and this is the contraction. You can say, I had seen the film before, so I was bored, or I'd seen the film before, so I was bored. Okay? Now, we use the past perfect when we are talking about the past, but want to go back to an earlier time. Jack didn't want to come with us because he'd been 3 years ago. So we use the past perfect when you are talking about the past, but when you go back to an earlier time. So you were and you go back, okay? Jack didn't want to come with us because he'd been 3 years he'd been there last year. Okay, continue. We do not use the past perfect simply because something happened a long time ago. We use it with other past tenses to make the other things happen clear. Ashley didn't get the email because he had typed Ash _55. No, Ash -55. We don't use the past perfect simply because something happened a long time ago. We use it with other past tenses to make the other thing happen clear. We put questions words at the beginning of the question. No. How far had you walked before you realized you were lost? No, we put question words at the beginning of the question. No, only at the end.